Hi, my name is Dana Wall. I'm the Director of Administration with PAC International. PAC International has been here in Mount Pleasant area since 1976 in some form or fashion. We started out as maintenance, and we are now doing maintenance, customizing, completions, and refurb of helicopters. Metro Aviation purchased us in 2012. It was the best thing that ever happened to our company. It's been a great fit. We do lots of EMS aircraft for them. They were looking for a company in the Northeast, and they found PAC International, purchased us, and it's been a great ride ever since. The aircraft that we work on can be EMS, law enforcement, ENG, search and rescue, so we run the whole gamut of anything that's required for your rotor wing aircraft. Right now, PAC International has 58 employees strong. We strive to be family-oriented here. We like to grow our people within. We hire them, we train them, and we like to grow them in our company, and that's the same methodology that Metro Aviation has. I think what PAC International brings to the table that's different than our competitors is we put out the greatest product around. Our paint job is second to none. We care about our customers, we care about our employees, and I think that pulls through with the product we deliver.
Good morning, Ed Wall, PAC International Director of Maintenance here in Mount Pleasant, Pennsylvania. We are a Part 145 repair station, also a Bell customer service facility. It's about 55,000 square feet. We're your one-stop shop for the helicopter industry. So if we can get it approved, we will get it installed. We're going to be expanding our capabilities over about 7,000 square feet to expand our composite shop and also our sheet metal shop to help support the EMS and the completions and customizing that we do on your aircraft. As you can see, we've got a lot of work going on. If you need anything from completions, customizing, maintenance, feel free to reach out to PAC International.
My name is Philip Woods. I am the project manager here at PAC International, one of 3 project managers here. And as you can see behind me, we have multiple projects going on all at the same time. We'll bring in an aircraft. We remove all of the interior. We'll go ahead and do a full inspection on blades, engines, airframe, landing gear. And then after that, mechanics will come in. Once we get all of our repairs done and complete, we start the assembly process again. Then we'll go to paint. And then when they come back from paint, we'll do a full assembly. Once we have that aircraft completed, it'll be to the customer specification. I'd say the biggest difference between why PAC would stand out to me and why I enjoy working here so much are just the people. The amount of aviation knowledge and wisdom that's in these 4 walls is incredible. And not only that, the friendships that I've made here are lifelong standing relationships.
The future of PAC, I believe, is whatever we want it to be. I think that we keep growing, Metro keeps growing, they keep building us to be stronger and better, so our future is unlimited.